Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a close look at the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum Cleaner NV360, one of the most popular upright vacuums for homeowners who want strong cleaning performance without spending premium flagship prices. The Shark NV360 combines powerful suction, lift-away versatility, and a sealed HEPA filtration system into a design that works well on carpets, hard floors, stairs, furniture, and pet hair. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle multiple surfaces throughout your home, this model is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features is Shark's lift-away technology. With the press of a button, the canister detaches from the main body, allowing you to clean stairs, furniture, curtains, shelves, and hard-to-reach areas much more easily than with a traditional upright vacuum. This flexibility makes it feel like you're getting two vacuums in one. When it comes to cleaning performance, the NV360 delivers strong suction that works effectively on both carpets and hard floors. Whether you're picking up dust, crumbs, dirt, pet hair, or everyday debris, the vacuum provides consistent performance across multiple floor types. The brush roll shutoff feature allows you to switch between carpets and hard flooring without needing a separate machine. Pet owners will especially appreciate this vacuum. The included upholstery tool helps remove pet hair from couches, chairs, mattresses, and fabric surfaces. Combined with the strong suction power, it can significantly reduce pet hair buildup around the home. Another major advantage is the HEPA filtration system with Anti-Allergen complete seal technology. This system helps trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum rather than releasing them back into the air. For households concerned about indoor air quality, this is an important feature that adds value beyond simple floor cleaning. The vacuum also features swivel steering, making it easier to maneuver around furniture, table legs, and tight spaces. Large upright vacuums can sometimes feel cumbersome, but the NV360 remains relatively easy to control during everyday cleaning sessions. The large capacity dust cup allows longer cleaning sessions before emptying, which is especially useful in larger homes. Emptying the dustbin is straightforward and helps reduce interruptions while cleaning. In terms of overall value, the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 continues to be a bestseller because it balances performance, versatility, filtration, and affordability. While it may not include some of the advanced smart features found in premium models, it delivers dependable cleaning power where it matters most. If you need a versatile upright vacuum for carpets, hard floors, stairs, upholstery, and pet hair, the Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 remains one of the strongest options in its category. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to check the product link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget and home appliance reviews here on Gadgetverse.